Is your speaker on? I'm not getting a voice.
Okay, so
Yes.
item 26, my lord, order. There's a correction, my lord. So my prayer it may be taken at 2 p.m. my lord. I have some other problem. Personal, my lord.
26.
20 at 2 p.m.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship, item number 24, my lord, I want to see my office note, my lord. Yes, the Lordship permission.
Item 4 may not be taken by some other bench, your lordship.
First, there was a 19 matter.
Item 4, your lordship
There
was.
was a 19 matter.
Lordship was there
Oh, not before this bench.
before this bench.
This is matter, both sides are represented. This is matter before. Before the bench without one of us. Let me see.
I have two listing, my lord.
Gratefulness.
Lordship, item number 2, Lord.
We don't hear you.
Where is your band?
My presence. So I wish to mention item number 23, my lord. I'm paying for my password for that ambulance matter due to some other difficulties.
23.
23,
You want an adjournment?
my lord.
Okay. What is the representative of the pair made by List after?
My lord, as my lord,
List after the, okay.
I'm obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Daily list item 1 for motion.
My please, Lordship.
Just one. I think my brother on 30th we had a matter, motion matter. To to look into the documents as to how it is placed. It took me more than an hour. Just to look at I'm sorry, the 10, 12, 13 documents. Absolutely mismatched. There's no continuity, there's no, the documents are not exhibited. Some of the documents mentioned but not exhibited. Some documents are there but not entered. Some documents are not produced. Evidence of 2018. Certified copy annexed is of 2021. You look into each and every document and then we're so upset at one point of time. They just wasted their time. Yes. Yes, Mr. Khan.
Yes. It was contested case, your lordship, and he was declared foreigner on white opinion dated 14/5/2029. That opinion part is at page 30, your lordship, kindly have a look. And page 34, page 34, para 9, 10, these are the relevant part, your lordship. Herein altogether 15 documents were exhibited. At page 34, Your Lordship, para 9. The ground given herein is that there was no any voter list exhibited in between the period 1970 to 1989. But in fact, the petitioner, he exhibited the voter list of 1966 and 17 pertaining to his grandfather, Your Lordship. And the second ground is given here in revenue paying receipt. A land document was produced. A land document was produced, but in respect of the said land, the revenue paying receipt was not produced, was not exhibited. And the third one, a Gaubra certificate was produced and it was held that the Gaubra certificate was issued in favor of a dead person. And therefore, the Gaubra certificate was not considered. Basically, these are the grounds, Your Lordship.
No, you see, the reason is that your, the land document is merely a Jamabandi,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Uh,
Zawabandi, but it was held that revenue paying receipt.
We understand, but you see, the Jamabandi itself doesn't prove existence of land.
Yes,
You, there may be a common name for which a Jamabandi is there. That apart, you don't produce the sale deed. Because the land document, Jamabandi in an abstract cannot be said to be an,
but that revenue paying receipt I have annexed here with this petition, Your Lordship.
which page?
Page 61, Your Lordship, 61.
Are you talking about this one? And which one?
Sixty-one is the.
This, what is this? 1417 to 14?
Period, it is given
Which,
in.
which year is it? I'm not able to understand.
I think this is Sulgafo, Papados, Sulgafo,
Several numbers, but year होगा ना refer निकली.
consumer brother.
या फिर तो अपनी लिखी से for which year?
Consumer brother, this is translated for. Figure is in here, I think.
No, I'm just trying to understand. This is of 2013. You don't have any document with your father? Any voters list with your father,
Yeah.
grandfather and father?
No.
So how can you establish?
17 of the grandfather.
दुकान के नाम बोलना तो था.
Paternal uncle.
Terminal पर न हो बेटा.
Father name for the first time. Appears in 19. In front of him.
How old was the father? We don't see that linkage.
But the land document, it was. But just. Land document.
2013.
Right.
13 में तो हमारा document लगे 66 to 71.
It is often been copied in 1958, 58, 65.
ये कितने का मांगे?
By way of inheritance, it was.
But grandfather, father, what was this like?
Where is your written statement?
Written statement. Page 26. Page 17, Your Lordship. 17 and additional written statement was also.
But, Mr. Khan, can you come to page 56? That is your document, 56, 57.
50?
Page 56.
Yes,
This is Jamabandi,
yes.
correct?
Yes.
Read the first line.
বরপেটা মৌজার গড়েমারি পাথারর 1958-65 ইংরেজি সনর নতুন
66. 65. Oh, no, 65, right,
65 সনর
65, okay.
নতুন
So this is a Jamabandi containing entries between 68 to 58 to 65, 7 year, correct?
yes.
Come to page 57. You see the entry, first entry. Chithar. Remark column, down below, 57,
57 yes.
Montevideo.
মন্তব্য yes.
Chithar,
সিঠার উত্তরাধিকার
no, not Uttaradhikar.
দর্শন করা হয়নি।
Okay, omit these two, what I can't read. 9/8/72. হাতত 72 ইংরাজি So এই কাগজ পাট্টাদারর স্থলত, correct?
yes.
So you see, this is a Jamabandi which is supposedly closed in 65. How can this Jamabandi contain an entry of 72? That means the Jamabandi is live. The Chitha entry comes into this Jamabandi. Normally shouldn't. And this appears to be the original entry here. Hormuz, you see, page 56, serial number 5 is Hormuz.
Yes.
But there is this typing out and other things which are required to be seen in a Jamabandi. You see, if it's a current Jamabandi and there is a correction is by way of
Inheritance.
Substitution. Sthalat.
Yes.
So the original entry should be there.
But
Whose name has been struck off?
Danesh Ali, your lordship, he has been strike off. And in place of him, Nasimuddin, Ramezuddin, Tomezuddin,
No, they are shown as son of.
yes.
It doesn't stay, his name is, it does not appear to be the person who's been substituted. That's what I'm saying. Mr. Khan, you better take instructions. There is another thing in this document. You see this, the entry in the Jamabandi is very peculiar. First entry is of the correction made in 73, page 57,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Come to next page. Now you find entry of 85. So that means it is going upside down. And these are, you see, these are handwritten Jamabandi.
I'm checking for the.
We'll take it up next week. You find, you
Yes.
get instructions.
Okay, Lord. But my what instruction I got is that, your lordship. The revenue paying receipt, your lordship, this is in respect of that land, your lordship.
You produce a document. Now you find that this document, how it can be acceptable. It creates an evidence,
Yes.
but is it acceptable?
Yes,
So you don't, you see, nobody could have known that in this Jamamandi, there will be 5 entries, so I'll keep entry number 1, 2, 3 open. First entry I'll write in serial number 5. That can't happen. What is the logic of having a Jamamandi which entries which are upside down? Or last entry first reflected. So we don't understand. And if there is a Jamamandi, in every Jamamandi you will have the original name struck off, name is shown, and the following entries come. But this has an entry in Chita. It doesn't say that by way of a sale, by way of inheritance. It says the storage was follow.
okay, lordship. Sorry, to এটা যদি কি দিয়ে 73 27 12 is this 91 95 1 73 71 87 50,000 85 85 so 95 90
Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma, you need to focus in reading this page 56.
what's this page?
Page 56. Or you better get the original certified copy.
We have the original certificate copy is there, but
তুমি আনিব খুব বিচাৰিবা মই আনিম বাৰু বৰপেটা ডেপুটি কমিশনাৰক ক'ব লাগিব কোনখন ছাৰ ক'ত চাৰ্ভে অফিচাৰ কোন সার্কেল কোন সার্কুলার না
You see, what we want to read from this is, there are two entries here. Page 56 is one entry of this Hormuz Ali. Hormuz, what is the next word? I can't read. Now, you'll find at serial number 10 also again, the same name comes, Hormuz Ali. At page 56,
56 lordship
correct? Serial number 10,
Yes.
again. Hormuz
Harun
Ali.
Ali
Now, this is Pita.
who is the
What is
petitioner?
the name of the father?
Name of the father Harun Ali, name of the father
Danesh Ali.
huh? Hamid Ali
Danesh Ali.
Hanif Danish Ali
No, but there is something in between. There's another word here. Not only Danish, there's one word extra. This I can't read.
lordship so
Now,
Harun Ali Danish Ali that is my
what is the word earlier?
earlier Hormuz
No, Harmuz Ali Pita. After Pita, what is this word? Three-letter word.
last is Danish Ali Muhammad or Mr. No,
In between,
Muhammad
there's a word I can't read.
Muhammad maybe.
Yes,
Muhammad or Mr.
it's not Muhammad. Can't read Muhammad. Now, can't read Muhammad. It is not Haji. It's not any other word we know. Now, what we want to again read from here is this. In this particular Jamabandi, how the entry is made. If you see first entry, in page 57, is a remark of 92. And then by the circle officer, it is 93, 73. Down below. 57. Correct. Now, next page, the entry goes to 85, 87. The first entry is 85, again 85.
84 or 85?
Again, next is 85.
Sit.
So something, it is not, sedative is not maintained.
Sit is there. Paran, Manparan.
No, sedative is not maintained.
No.
Last entry is first, made first.
Yes.
Very unusual.
Yes.
Correct. Now you come to next page 59.
Lordships.
You see, first entry is 99.
99.
Last entry is 95.
First 95. চিঠির উত্তর 22/1/95
Yes.
तारीख में उत्तराधिकारी सूत्रे
No, whatever we have respect the entry. How can this sedative be maintained in a Javamandi? And this Javamandi page 56 is a Javamandi which is closed and it's for a period of 1958 to 65.
Lordships.
Just try to find out resistance.
I will send the letter to DC. Your lordship first order. I will talk. Send the letter. Deputy Commissioner.
Getting it listed on 16? You have 2 weeks time? Mr. Karma? 16 or you need some more time?
More time, and I will send them a letter.
Deputy Commissioner.
Tell us the date, very well.
$25.
As the MPs. Thirty, not very, not serially maintained. It says the runner. D. Sharma, runner. Additional is senior government advocate to. Operating instruction as to the. Javandi is paid. Specifically because the Javamati appears to be for a period from 1918 was 58-65. So therefore, of subsequent entries after the year 1965 would be reflected in the Javamati, which is for a period referred above. Next, the learned Mr. A.M. and the transfer to the petitioner shall provide a photocopy of the Javamati to the learned additional senior government advocate to enable him to obtain instructions. Next, this from 25 to 2026.
Item 2 for motion.
Yes.
Lordship, sorry, Lordship, I forgetting to wear the band. Lordship, my senior is out of station today. Kindly adjournment the matter for the day, Your Honor. Kindly fix after 4 weeks, Your Honor.
Okay, Friday. Which is the position of the pyramid level cost. List on. 6. Okay, then again, 6.
Of the unit.
Item 3 for motion.
Second point.
Item 5. Item 5.
Lordship, item 5, 6, 7. and 8 lordship may be placed before another bench.
6.
7, 8. Hmm? 4718. Good question. 4730. Good question. Next is what? 4738.
Item 9.
Come on.
Item 10.
May I please, your lordship? Matter may be taken after some time, lordship. My senior is in another court, lordship. Leave.
Item 11 for motion.
Lordship 11, 12, 13, 14. Time password time.
Which item?
10. Passover for the define in the line being. 10. No, এটা 11, এটা টাইমিং করেছে।
Item 10 already time being all.
করেছে। একটু নতুন না লাগে তাহলে একটু সাইড হোক। হুম? 26 হচ্ছে সাপ্লি টু দিয়া।
Item 15 for motion.
আমার লাইন দেখে। এবার use করবো না। Section 9. এই নতুন কেস সেটা 16 16 to কাকে চেক করতে দাদা 16 to ডিরেকশন কাকে চেক করতে কপি দিতে দেওয়া না সবই করা আছে না কোনো এক্সট্রা কপি আছে নাকি পিটিশন না
No.
Yes,
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, contested case, your Lordship. Petitioner himself, his father and Gowra were examined and cross-examined my lord. The name of the grandfather of the petitioner is entered in the voter list of 1966 and
this.
NRC
Is the evidence
1950.
of Gangura?
Gowra at page 30, your Lordship. Sorry, your Lordship. 73, your Lordship. 73.
Diana, Fatima Sohila, ano namin eh. April 16, 17, 18, 17, 18, 19.
Okay. Yes, please proceed.
My lord, the name of grandfather is entered into 1951 NRC, my lord, page 20, my lord. Hussain Ali Talukdar, son of Jalal Talukdar.
But the original exhibited document is not the original one. It is a attested copy.
Yes, my lord. My lord, certificate copy of voter list 1966, page 24, your lordship. Hussain Ali, son of Jalal Ali. Afzal Nessa is my grandmother. Then, my lord. Voter list of 1970, my lord, page 26, my lord.
Yes.
Voter, my lord, voter list of 1979, my lord, the name of my grandfather, grandmother, and my uncle, my lord. And the name of my father is with my grandfather, my lord, page 30, your lordship. Voter list of 1985, my lord. Hussain Ali, son of Jalal Talukdar. Hussain Ali is my grandfather, my lord. Thereafter, Yasin Ali, that is my uncle, my lord. Thereafter, Sukumar Talukdar, that is my father, my lord. Thereafter, page 32, my lord, the name of my father and mother, my lord. Total list of 1997. Thereafter, total list of 2005, my lord, page 34. The name of my father and mother. Page 36, your lordship, total list of 2010. The name of my father, mother, and one of my brother, my. Total list of 15, my lord, page 38. Father, mother, and my brother, my lord. And my name is with my father, my lord, at page 40, your lordship. Total list of
Page
my
number?
page 40, your lordship. Sukumuddin Ali, that is my father, my lord. My name is last, my lord, Zairul Islam.
Your father's name is?
Sukumuddin Ali. My lord, my father's evidence is at page 68, my lord.
Page number?
Page 68, my lord, 68. Evidence in sheet, my lord, and process at page 70, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, my father is specifically mentioned, my lord. He is a son of a person who was an Indian citizen, my lord. Therefore, my lord, my name is linked with my grandfather, my lord, whose name has been entered into total list of 1966, NRC 1951, my lord, total list of 1970, and onwards, my lord.
Yes.
I have been declared as foreigner, my lord, only on the ground of the age of my grandfather, my lord, and father, my lord. There is nothing uh, except this, my lord. and there was some shifting, my lord, due to river erosion, my lord. Therefore, my lord, my evidence, my father's evidence and the evidence of Gaura corroborated each other, my lord. And all the documents also corroborated with our evidence, my lord. Oral evidence, my lord. Prior to
Which
initiating,
is your first voter list in which your name came?
my lord,
Your name appeared for the first time in which voter list?
19,
19?
sorry, my lord, voter list of 2017, my lord. Yes, 40. Prior to initiation of this proceeding, my lord, the inquiry officer submitted report, my lord, one blank report, my lord. Nothing has been included in this inquiry report, my lord, and inquiry was not done, my lord. Case 90, my lord. 90 onwards, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I could establish that I am a son of a person who was Indian citizen, my lord, as per the documentary evidence and as well as oral evidence, my lord. That is my humble submission to the lordship.
You define any citations?
No, my lord.
Yes, Ms. Verma.
Madam.
Yes. I'm handicapped, Lordship, I don't have the brief.
This is the. Haji.
Lordship, the voters list projected do not show a direct linkage with the procedure with his projected parents' lordship. And a mismatch of contradiction of his statement and the evidence which was given by DW2 lordship. Gaubura was appointed in 91, but he says he knows his father from 1985 lordship. There are a lot of discrepancies regarding the age in the voters list lordship.
Just a moment. Gaubura was appointed in the year
1991, and he says he knows the father of the proceedee from 1985. And DW2 lordship, DW2 has contradicted whatever has been stated by the petitioner. It doesn't, there's a complete mismatch of, I think it is at page 29 of the opinion lordship. It says the evidence of the proceedee as well as Sukumuddin Talukdar, the projected father, examined as DW1 and 2 are closely looked into to find that during cross-examination, the DW2 has stated that in the year 1965, he was at Jamirabari Part 1, and before that he was at Bir Singh Kellingshore, which clearly contradict the pleadings and the evidence of the proceedee in as much as the statement of the proceedee in his WS, that his grandfather shifted to village Bir Singhi Para, Part 3 after the year 1955 due to erosion, and further stated that they shifted from to village Jamirabari after 1970. Clearly contradicted the evidence of his own projected father lordship.
you're reading from where?
I'm reading the opinion lordship at page 29. From records is page 29, and from the petition, अपना opinion syndicated also. Opinion syndicated also.
77.
Starting at page 77, lordship will come to exhibit L. Exhibit A,
Exhibit,
page
yes.
81, lordship.
Exhibit L, yes.
Yes. Exhibit, I'm reading exhibit C and D, lordship.
Yes.
Yes. The findings of the member lordship, it's very clearly said. And lordship even come to exhibit 7, lordship. Exhibit 7 says in the affidavit executed in non-judicial stamp paper to incorporate a declaration as regards to discrepancy in the name of the proceedings, projected father and projected grandfather. The election officer Abhayapuri, white letter so-and-so, has deputed one official along with a signed copy of the voters list of 66 and 70. But the proceeding in view of the discussion appended hereto has not been able to establish linkage with his projected lineal ancestors apparent in the said documents marked as exhibit C and D. Then later on comes the projected father's evidence lordship, which is clearly contradicted by what the petitioner has stated in his WS. So the evidence of the proceeding and with the documents placed before the tribunal relied upon him are not trustworthy, and there's no reason to believe him because there's a contradiction of the voters list, the DWs, as well as the election of the officer of the election officer from the election branch lordship. In none of the documents, he has been able to clearly establish his linkage with his father lordship.
Who is Yasin Ali?
Yasin Ali is my uncle, my lord, paternal uncle.
Only in the year 2017, the proceedee's name appears for the first time with his brother lordship. Father and brother, how old are you now? Can you see your affidavit? The petitioner affidavit, how?
Years of the date of affidavit,
How much is it? lordship?
26 years.
26. So his name appears for the first time in the year 2017. Apart from that, lordship, his own linkage with his projected parents is not there, lordship. Prior to 71.
Yes.
2004 inquiry report, lordship, it says that he has been untraced all along. At page 19 of the records, lordship, I have just gone through it.
We have seen that second.
Yes, lordship,
Yes, I read that.
he has remained untraced all along. Lordship, there's no infirmity with the opinion passed by the member, lordship.
Yes.
Look, regarding untraced, my lord, he is a petitioner is daily wages laborer, my lord. He came to Guwahati, my lord, and after few days, my lord, he returned back to his house, my lord.
You are A Kadus. Heard. Mr. A Kadus, learned counsel, AWDUS. Counsel for the listening. Also, for the respondents. Versus completely. Order is. Obligement.
Order is.
Item 16.
Item 16 copy has not been served to us. I just checked the records also, Lordship.
Yeah. Copy. So I'll furnish it. Like, yeah.
আমার কপি নিয়ে দিলে কেন কেসব
No copy দিলাম।
Which page is the opinion?
So page 95. So it is a case where Lordship neither investigate inquiry nor Lordship there is any reference as well as notice. Only murder was proceeded, but the tribunal declared entire family, including the deceased father of the petitioner, to be foreigner.
dated human.
13. Page 95 with you.
2013.
13 Lords. 13. This 2013, 25/11/2013. Lordship, I have explained that page, paragraph, Lordship, 25, 26, and 27.
13 years, Lordship.
From 25, page 18. 25, 26, and 27. Mother is not before Lordship now. Now the family members are.
Which page is your written statement?
Sorry, Lordship.
Which page is your written statement?
No, they have not appeared, Lordship. Even notice was not served on them. Notice is at page Lordship, 92. And from page 80 onwards, the order for enquiry, reference, and the forms.
I'm sorry, you said notice was not served.
Yes. So far as we are concerned, Lordship, it was served to only but the present petitioners, Lordship. The present petitioners. Lordship. Mother received it, only mother's name is reflected and mother has filed the WS. Yes, she has contested the opinion itself. It reflected in the opinion. Para 3 in WS denied the prosecution allegation of foreign national.
What are the written statement of your mother? No.
Is not.
Mother is still there?
But
Mother is still there?
yes,
She is alive.
she is allowed.
She hasn't filed, then we'll have to dismiss your petition in 11A without calling for the records.
That's it.
Because your mother accepted notice. And she appeared at that time, you were 13 years, 9 years, 8 years of age. If that be the case, then your mother appeared as a presumption would be that your mother appears as a father, mother and natural guardian of yours.
No. At no point of time, the lordship, there is any inquiry against us. There is no,
We're not talking about that.
there are no reference.
If your mother is alive and she has contested the matter, then it would be presumed that she is representing you also.
No,
We don't see any reason not to produce the written statement of your mother. That is one. Second is that you made us read this paragraph 25 onwards. There you say that your mother was aware of the opinion dated 25/11/13, and she informed the family members for the first time in 2016. So that means from 2016, you had the knowledge.
yes, lordship.
Therefore, you have accepted it.
So far as if there is no inquiry and lordship reference,
That
lordship.
would not be material because your mother appeared. She took
Mother appeared,
responsibility of
but-
appearing.
No, he is appearing on her behalf only, lordship. Lordship, at this moment, lordship call for the records after perusal of WS lordship.
No, we may not, because once you accept that your mother is alive, you see, we have good reasons to say that. In 2001, the eldest child was 13 years. That means the child would be born sometime in 1988. And therefore, when your mother informed everyone about the opinion, you were a major of 28 years. So therefore, after attaining majority, immediately you did not take steps. You waited from 2016, you have waited for 10 years now.
Yes, there is a delay. Delay is there, but lordship, inquiry, reference, even notice, not there. It is only in respect of Zorina Khatun. From page 80,
Have you seen the inquiry?
yes,
Go through the inquiry. Page 91.
direction to make an inquiry.
Page 91 you see. Read out the comment in the top.
Zarina Khatun and her family members.
What is that?
But inquiry was directed against only Zarina Khatun.
What is that?
Page
During
80,
the-
page
during
80, Lordship.
the inquiries.
Lordship, I am referring to page 80. This is the order of the Superintendent of Police. This is clearly stated that it has been learned that Zarina Khatun, wife of Saral Wasa, village Dokhin Kaligazari, PS Mikirveta, Morigaon, is suspected illegal migrants who entered into India after 25th March 1971. You were therefore directed to start an inquiry immediately following the provisions of law laid down, so and so, so and so.
It's okay. After that, this inquiry, if everyone is suspected to be a foreigner, and you were aware of it from 2016,
That count is there. From 16, it is, Lordship, there is an explanation. Lordship may accept it, may reject it. But inquiry and reference, in absence of inquiry and reference, tribunal where from get the jurisdiction to declare these persons?
you were aware about it. That's why this written statement is not produced.
Lordship, I'll file it. Lordship will,
Please let us examine it for perusal before we issue notice, even to call for the records.
Lordship.
Because we are also surprised that your mother was declared to be a foreigner and you abandon your mother. Mother doesn't come to court to challenge it. Mother accepts it with all responsibility for the minor children also. We are surprised by that.
And she is left out.
Why?
No, it is not, read the process, Lordship.
That
It
is
will be
why-
filed within a week, Lordship.
That is why,
Both,
we suspected something. else.
it will be filed within a week, Lordship.
Whatever,
Lordship, at this stage, the Lordship, the LCR may be called for because we don't,
no.
like,
Not-
otherwise I may be allowed a week time, Lordship, I will produce.
Produce it, will
Lordship.
take Friday or Saturday, whenever you want.
Yes, Lordship.
When?
Next week, Lordship, on in.
Give us a date, we'll fix it on that date.
9, 10, Lordship,
Ninth. B.
9th.
Copy may be served on you.
Lordship, I'll provide it.
Okay, that represented. It's A. Verma, done standing counsel for the. That's the matters that they have not been served with a copy of the resolution. It's not let a copy thereof be served. On. In course of the day, next para. As the written statement of the mother of the petitioner is not on record. Court. As the petitions to produce. The written statement filed by her mother in the proceedings. Next para, learned counsel for the petitioner. Takes for some time to produce the same. Next para. List on 9/2/2026.
Obliged, Lordship.
Short break and.
Item 17.
Lordships, Lordship, item number 27, Lordships, due to technical matter, it may be taken up today. So it may be listed.
No mention now.
Only technical.
I told him it because he's asking me, Lordship had appeared in his matter. It would be
Item?
item
27,
Lordship
right.
27.
No, we are not reached 27. Pass orders. Every time we can't take a mention. Whatever will be the result, we'll adjourn it. That's all.
If you like. If you like.
May I please, your Lordship? My Lord,
Yes.
it's a contested case, my Lord. The impugning opinion at page 150, my Lord.
But Mr. S. A. Ahmed, land counsel for the petitioner and so also for the respondents. Page 150, opinion dated 16/10/2025. Passed by so and so. Case number so and so, IMDT case number so and so. By declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 25 to 1971. Notice returnable in 4 weeks, extra copies will be 2 days, copy the records. Therefore, to the following email address, therefore bail is opposed by the Honorable Standing Counsel for the FD and bottom affairs. Considering the projection, 10 days time to take bail of rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of Superintendent of Police Border. Which place?
SP Borpeta only.
Borpeta. List of the 4 weeks of visit orders.
Oblige.
Item 18.
My appraisal Lordship. This is an ex parte opinion of post in 2009.
9.
Now our whole contention is that no notice was served. I didn't receive any notice. One advocate appeared, my lord. Filed an Bhokalatnama, but that was not signed by me. Our contention is that in para 6, 7, and 10, that Bhokalatnama was not even signed by me. We did not have any knowledge. Later on, my lord, in para 2, my lord, I have given the explanation. How, my lord, did I come to know about the, my lord, that ex parte decision?
You filed a complaint before the Bar Council for against a council who did appeared in a full Wakaratnama.
That
Did you
was
lodge
not
an
done.
FIR?
That was not done. I have, to my knowledge, my lord, instruction, no. There are all relevant reports shows that she is a citizen of India by birth. All, my lord, 66 onwards, in name of the grandfather, father, grandmother, mother appear, my lord, chronologically in each and every voter list. Then Jamabandi also shows, my lord.
Where is the Wakaratnama?
Pardon, my lord?
Where is the copy of Wakaratnama? You say it's a forged Wakaratnama. Where is
No,
that?
that was not certificate copy, not obtained, my lord. Then if necessary, my lord, obtain the certificate copy.
Your father. Petitioner's father is Mansoor Ali.
My lord, petitioner's father is Mansoor Ali.
Ajmat Ali, Lordship.
No, no,
Father.
no, no,
Father is
father.
Ajmat Ali, she's wife of
No, no.
Mansur Ali.
No, no. Mansoor Ali is the father and Azmat Ali is the husband. A para 9.
But the voter list says something else.
Exactly.
There is some anomalies. We have made a statement. Somewhere, my lord, in each and every voter list, there is some anomalies.
Lordship, the
And notice,
inquiry report-
notice shows, my lord, she is the, my lord, wife of one Amjad Ali.
Now, if you come to page 56, the voter list of 2018.
56.
See Sarifa Khatun, right?
My lord.
So page 56 says Mansoor Ali,
Ah.
Malika Khatun,
Yes,
and Sarifa Khatun.
sorry, brother.
The Sarifa Khatun has been mentioned as wife of Mansoor Ali.
Now she is referring, my lord, page 56.
Yes, yes.
56. My lord, Mansoor Ali, Malika Khatun, Sharifa Khatun, wife of Mansoor. There is a mistake, my lord. And we have made a statement that she is not the wife of Mansoor. Mansoor is the father.
The other voter list also 2024 also same.
Her name appears for the first time in 2017 at the age of 51. Lordship. And that was in 17. So today, if we look, her date of birth in
Yes, yes, there is
2017
that.
was 1966.
We made a statement, my lord. A statement that
Name should have appeared earlier, Lordship, with Amjad Ali. Ajmat Ali, her father, not with her husband.
no.
I don't know, again, there's a difference between the name of Amjad and Ajmat.
There is not Ajmal, Lordship. Even I thought that, but it is Ajmat even in the inquiry report.
He says Amjad.
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 In the affidavit says Amjad.
Amjad.
This.
Then Lordship,
NHS 6
petition-
page 41. What is this voter list for? 1970 voter list? What do you want to show from there?
41.
What do you want to show from there?
41. So she is referring what, my lord?
Yes.
Page
This
41.
is whose voter list?
Voter list of, my lord, at page 41. 41 is the electoral, my lord, certified copy of the electoral roll.
Understand whose?
Yes.
You want to show whose name there?
The center. Iba petition banaise. It was prepared by whom?
Prepared by the ERO.
ERO, yes, my lord, ERO. But my lord, actually, my lord, I'm extremely sorry, my lord. I have been engaged in this case, my lord, petition was drafted by somebody else.
All learned lawyers are engaged.
My lord, Simply kindly give me 2 days time, my lord, so that I can go through it. I'm sorry, my lord, petition was not drafted by me even.
No,
I
that's
could-
okay. You got something very, what do you call? Windfall income, if you may say so. Something, not income, windfall brief.
For better, my lord, better appraisal of the court, my lord. Now, she has rightly pointed out, there is some anomalies. And she is also right.
Who is Ahmad, AHMAD, Ahmed? Who is he?
Ahmed, Ahmed is the, my lord, I think, my lord. Ahmed is the, I have given the, my lord, family tree. Family tree, my lord. Ahmed Asi. Lordship, kindly come to at page 10. She is the grandfather. Paternal grandfather. Grandfather, great grandfather is Shahad Ali, and Shahad Ali is the father of Ahmed Ali. And Ahmed Ali, my lord, has got, my lord,
Page 10, where is Ahmed Ali?
Ahmed Ali, my lord, second para. Great grandfather, then grandfather.
10 doesn't say so. 10 has petitioner's grandfather has 3 sons.
Huh.
Page 10 says.
Three sons. Abdullah Muhammad Ahmed Ali. Ahmed Ali is the son of Shahid Ali.
No, I don't know. You're reading something else, not in page 10. This is page 10 which we have.
And page 10 is the family tree of the petitioner.
No, you asked us to see page 10.
Yes.
Page 10 doesn't have that name.
Whose name, my lord? Ahmed Ali. Ahmed Ali name appears, my lord. First one is grandfather, great grandfather Shahid Ali. Then grandfather Muhammad Ahmed Ali.
Not in that.
Oh. Hey. কি কৰিছা? পেজ 9 আছো। কিনো কৰিছা তোমালোকে? এটা petition ভালকে ফাইল কৰিব নোৱাৰা।
No, don't tell that because she has filed it under your instructions.
But I was requested by Mr. J. Ahmed.
No. You see,
Jashim.
we both have experience of being a junior at one point of time. You never did something without knowledge of our seniors.
Man, I didn't get any occasion to go through my lord, very carefully. Sorry, my lord. Their pagination is also not correct.
When do you want?
My lord, next week. ভুল আছে তুই?
Both sides are represented.
Well, I'm sorry, my lord.
Declared
Extremely
made
sorry.
by Saiga Professor and Constable. List on 9.
My
2026.
pagination is also not correct, my lord. কি কৰিছে এইবিলাক?
Supplementary item.
I'm sorry, my lord. Extremely sorry.
Professor,
My lord.
this, I don't know about another bench, but in this bench, we would appreciate that you would guide the juniors. Not tell them before the court, because because so far as we are concerned,
My lord.
we took the responsibility of our juniors.
My lord, that's right.
When we were there.
My lord.
Even
Lord.
if there was a mistake.
My lord. Lord, I'm extremely sorry, my lord.
Me too, but our seniors also took the responsibility of mistakes.
That's right, my lord.
Which is there in the edit
My lord.
petition.
The only problem is that, my lord, I did not instruct anybody to prepare the case in that way.
We are not groomed to.
My lord, that's right, my lord.
Same thing against-
I'm shouldering all responsibility.
Because they will then become disheartened to appear before the court.
My,
And we don't appreciate that.
my lord. I'm shouldering, my lord.
Supplementary item 31 for motion.
Maybe resolution. Page 88 is the MP opinion. No, 88. 13/5/25.
Thirteen 5/2025. passed by so and so in case number so and so. Reference number so and so. Divide. Declaring that places we are foreigner of post interest in 1971. Notice 4 weeks of office in 2 days. Property relevant record showing the consent tribunal. The following email address. The prayer for bail is opposed by the Learned Standing Council for the FT matters considering the possession. 10 days time to take bail or rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of Superintendent of Police Border. Bongaigaon.
Bongaigaon.
List of the polls of visitor records.
Time being item 10
Also plus.
for motion.
Martin, though my lord, this matter is of 2019, but yet it is not admitted, my lord. On the first occasion, this honorable court was pleased to call for the record, my lord. Basically, my lord, here the order was passed ex parte. Ex parte order page 27, my lord. 27, my lord. 23, my lord, 53. Or 15, my lord, he filed one review petition. Review petition, and in the review petition, she also filed one condonation petition, and this condonation petition was dismissed by this page 53 order, my lord. So basically, my lord, both the orders are, my lord, there. Here, my lord, case was not tried, my lord, but she had, my lord, one full certificate to show the link. This is page 20 and extra 5.
What is your reason for not appearing after 2016, 29/3/16?
Yes, my lord.
After that, what do you explain?
She examined, my lord,
Do you have the medical documents here? No.
my lord, one doctor examined, my lord, page 47.
Ms. Verma,
Yes, Lordship.
please see this, we, page 54. Page 54, about in the middle,
Yes, Lordship.
the petitioner OP has further stated that after transfer from FT1 for disposal, you got it?
Yes, due to
Due to
dysfunction.
dysfunctional uterine bleeding and anemia, she was unable to appear for 1 or 2 dates. Correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Then come to next page. Sorry, page paragraph 4. A doctor was examined.
Yes, Dr.
Correct.
Alip Goswami.
Whatever be,
Yes.
so I'm not on the name, in fact. Next page, para 5. She appeared before the para 5. She appeared before the tribunal, filed a statement, but advocate failed to appear due to her illness. Her husband is a sick person. Her 10-year-old son is a dumb and physically handicapped person. I think we should give an opportunity. After 60% recovery, she met her earlier engaged counsel.
And the case was, lordship may remanded back. Seems to be a genuine case.
Sending that off.
Opinion. Opinion was of 16, lordship may just. That it may be disposed of in accordance with the rules, lordship.
Because even paragraph 6, last line,
Yes, lordship.
and we just complete the sequence. Doctor says, last 2 lines, the disease suffered by the petitioner OP is a periodic disease. During the period of suffering the disease, the patient is given total bed rest.
Although as a physician, she was aggressive. And that happened sometime only after 18.
Yes, paragraph 8,
Yes,
we don't have an answer to this. Para 8 of this opinion, page 56.
in the
The
petition,
medical certificate is from March 16 to July 18. But
yes,
prior to that, the proceeding remained absent or sought time for evidence through written counsel 24 occasions from 2013 to 16. This we did not find any answer.
now lordship, the proceeding started sometime in
2012,
12,
11 9
yes.
2012.
12 to 19 is a long time, 7 years,
So
lordship.
that's why we told you, we are completing the sequence.
Yes,
This is what is adverse to the petitioner, for which we don't have, we couldn't find any answer.
Yes,
It's a
it may be a time-bound tactic
Mr.
also,
Portia,
lordship.
we have an answer for that.
My lord, only my lord, because of her ailment, my lord, that,
No, illness is subsequent.
yes. Another certificate, my lord, lordship can be able to.
Where is that?
Ailment started from 18, lordship.
No, that's why we don't have an answer. We told you about that also.
I mean, no explanation also. There is about the 3 years period, lordship.
Page 25, my.
Page 20?
25. Yes, my lord.
NHA 8, page 25 is referring to.
During my lord, the pendency of the my lord, suit, my lord, she submitted one written statement, my lord. Page 22, my lord, written statement. Thereafter, my lord, she was absenting, my lord.
That certificate is again of from 16 to 18. It is as similar as the one from the doctor has given, lordship.
But except for a certificate, you don't have any prescription, anything to show what of treatment was.
Yes,
being
my
given.
lord. During my lord, she was also absenting during trial also.
No, you see, you have a disease from 16 to which
18,
year? 16 to
18, lordship.
18. 2 years. 2 years, nobody gave you any treatment. That would happen only to a healthy person.
No prescription, no diagnosis, nothing, lordship.
One chance, my lord, maybe.
But we must justify the orders. The document which favored you, we have informed Ms. Verma, but the document which is against you is also to be informed. don't have a recent history.
Ample opportunities, 24 adjournments, Lordship, not a joke.
And total bed rest is something which is very hard to accept.
Yes, my lord. Negligence is there, my lord.
What about
No,
page
no.
63?
64.
You have already been given an opportunity.
Oh, my lord, no, my lord, this is one similar order I have.
Similar order.
Similar order. Similar order, my lord, another one is page 60, my lord, relevant portion. This one I will quote, my lord, ignoring the delay part, relevant portion, order starting from page 58, my lord, and
Unlimited delay is also not acceptable, Lord.
We see, we have, we will not be accepting this because this was passed in ignorance of the earlier orders, which says that inordinate delay.
Has to be explained each and every day, Lordship. Very poor conduct, Lordship, of the petitioner, having accepted the notice, filed a WS 24 adjournments, and it took from 12 to 19 to complete, 7 years to complete the proceeding, Lordship. আপনার ভাই 19 এর কেস এটি আসছে, 100 বছর আরো পাবে। 7 years if I live 7 years, 15 বছর পাবে।
No, something is not correct. Something is not correct. That's. There's something is mismatched. In this, the medical documents, there's some prescriptions are there. But those prescriptions are not for the disease which you are suffering. That's one. It's a normal vitamins and saline given to you. This is for the exact reason for the of the treatment. You guys,
In any case, this kind of considering the nature of the case, negligence is there.
no, it's not a question of.
Definitely, my lord. But only mitigating aspect is that, my lord, illiterate, my lord. This
Without the medical reports even.
Yes.
The reason is that you are suffering from the disease. There are documents which says, in fact, here, in your this opinion, it says that the petitioner was advised removal of uterus.
Yes.
And for that, you were required to do scanning. There are two prescriptions which require you to do CT scans or whatever I forgot the name. Ultrasound. You did not do it. But why would somebody defer a surgery of removal of uterus? That's a very serious issue. Why would somebody carry the disease for more than 3 years?
only, my lord, I may be allowed to, my lord, ask her, my lord, to show any other document.
No, better do it because we thought that this is the disease and therefore because the problem starts from the opinion which we read. It's a periodic disease.
My lord.
For a periodic disease, you don't remove a body part. Page 55, last two lines says, the disease suffered by petitioner is a periodic disease.
Well,
For that, you don't remove the body part. You don't advise, the doctor will never advise removal of body part.
my lord. Negligence part is there, my lord. In any case, my lord.
Sufficient opportunities for 7 years, lordship.
No, let him take, because if this is correct, anything of this is correct. Removal of uterus is advised. Let us see if they have any document to show that
Yes, Lord.
what has been done, given opportunity.
Lordship may pick.
Not because of the condition of the petitioner, but you also saw that 10 years son is dumb and physically handicapped. That is the reason we are giving an opportunity to produce any document you have for this. Because of the reason that once you are advised removal of uterus and you don't do it. It would only mean that the medical certificate is a procured certificate. There's something which can't be postponed.
If kind of
Last-
cases,
one
my lord,
last chance may be
needs-
given if he has some medical documents, he may, within a week, lordship, he may produce it. Lordship may fix up this matter next week, lordship.
serious attempts are necessary my lord, in this.
No, because people. Some people relax in various ways.
She has some adversities. I mean, the son is not keeping well, husband is not there. These things are there. But still.
Lordship may fix a date, lordship. That was item
He's sitting
20.
there.
Yes, Mr. Pandit is there. 27 and 29, lordship. Yes, lordship.
I have put 27. Yes.
Even 29 is.
Let me please, lordship, my lord, item 25. Like they're supposed to take up just at 2 p.m. my lord. It is supposed to reach next. Like I have a matter fixed in the court number 23. My lord, if lordship pleases, my lord, can it be taken up little later or any some other date? My lord. My lord.
My lord, only tomorrow morning possible, my lord. Or day after tomorrow.
Set, my lord, which the date? Date will be, my lord. 7, my lord, from 4 to 7, I'll be out of station.
Day after tomorrow morning, that is small matter.
After tomorrow is 4.
What daytime I'm here, no? What evening I'm going?
Friday at 5.
Lordship, the last matter has lordship fixed a date of Mr. Item 10 regarding the medical certificate.
To obtain instructions, and to adjust the code. Next para list on when,
On any date, convenient date, my lord.
no, for us, every day is convenient.
Yeah.
You tell your date.
After my lord, 2 weeks, any date, my lord.
Okay.
Diploma.
We are here always. Every date is convenient for us.
Yeah.
Except for few days where we have fixed other matters or 80 part-head matters.
Milord, 16. But when the judgment we have order we received from the court and we approve, Milord, then SP will be informed that it is your case is transferred to Borpata, it is to Bajaj.
Yes.
And that is order, Milord, Annexure A, page 10. 11%, Milord, page 11 in middle.
For the respondents. Next one. By filing this interrogating petition on the applicant. Who is the petitioner in WBC 7136 of 2025 has prayed for amendment of the cost title by submitting the superintendent of police with a better order, it was Borpeta. Respondent number 4 by the superintendent of police border Bojali at Pathshala. Bojali, Pathshala. Stop. Next, it is submitted that that initially the place of residence of the petitioner fell within the jurisdiction of district Borpeta, and after creation of district Bojali, the address of the petitioner is currently at is within the new district. And accordingly, the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, Borpeta, did not accept the order dated 12/12/2025 passed by this court in WPC 7136/2025, by which bail was granted to the petitioner. Next paragraph. The non-standing for the 50 matters have fairly. There is no objection to the prayer made. Accordingly, the application stands allowed. The petitioner is permitted to substitute respondent number 4, Superintendent of Police within bracket border, bracket close Borpeta, by Superintendent of Police within bracket border, bracket close Bojali, Pathshala. The petitioner shall submit a minute copy of the cross title to the AOJ with the section to do the input in terms of this order. Next paragraph. In view of further 10 days time from the date of this order is granted to the applicant, namely Yasin Ali alias Yatin Ali, to appear before the Superintendent of Police, border Bojali, Pathshala, and to take bail in terms of order dated 12/12/2025 passed in WPC 7136/2025. Next. This order shall be read together with order dated 12/12/2025 passed in WPC 7136/2025. Next, accordingly, in the event the petition appears before the Superintendent of Police, order was already Pathshala within the time of said authority shall be the in terms of directions containing the hearing before report order dated 12/12/2025. Next, hence allowed and disposed.
Most.
Item 21 or item 19 for admission. Item 19.
My pleasure, Lordship. I'm seeking adjournment of this matter, Lordship. We have missed the item in the chamber, Lordship. Since my senior name is not reflected in the cause list, Lordship. Matter may be taken next Friday, Lordship.
Okay, both sides are represented. Your name?
K Kaishyav, Lordship.
K. Kashyap, learned. Counsel for the applicant. Praise that the praise doesn't have to be taken up. Hmm. 6/2/2027, so 26. Trade is allowed. The please to shall reflect the name of Mr. I.S. Sakias along with other learned counsel of the applicant by listing the matter next. List form 6.
Tenth, madam. Tenth.
You want it on 10th?
Yes, sir.
10th is a Tuesday,
Yes, sir.
either 11th or 9th.
10th or 11th.
11th.
Yes.
11th.
Obliged, Lord.
Even if your senior's name is not there, you now tell him.
Lordship.
Hello.
Item 20.
For representation from the petitioner. All the respondents are represented. Minister of Justice and Arrest was adjourned today. Yes, again on 9/2/2026. Before that, a copy of the travel is received.
21.
My lord. My lord, in the repetition, my explanation is at page number 7, para number 6, my lord. Notice was served upon my wife, My lord, first of all, lordship may kindly see page number 32. My lord, this is a NRC, my lord. It is a NRC holder, the petitioner himself, my lord. Page number 33, my lord, vernacular, my lord. After verification of the entire records regarding nationality, my lord, this document is issued, my lord, to the petitioner and his own whole family members, my lord. Page 33, serial number 1, Zohuruddin, son of Kaswali. And Kaswali is a voter of 1966, my lord. I have annexed the voter list number 1966, my lord.
He is not Kaswali.
Not Kasu and Kasem, my lord. I have stated that the Kasu and Kasem are the same person. My lord, I will examine, my lord. I could not appear before the tribunal. My lord, these documents, my lord, may be allowed to be examined. My lord, the sufficient link document. Another, my lord, aspect of the matter, my lord, may I submit this way, my lord. The impugn order was passed on 30th of November 2024, and I have filed the requisition on, my lord, December 2025, my lord. My lord, did not so late, my lord. I'm a poor person, so he prepared himself to file a case, my lord. And my lord, paragraph 1 of the impugn order says that only 3-4 dates, my lord, were there in the proceeding started from 30/9/2024, and thereafter matter was posted on 1/10/24, 19/10/24, and finally, my lord, 27/11/24. Thereafter judgment was passed, my lord. So hurry, my lord. So, my lord, humble prayer before Lord, say one opportunity within a limited period may be granted 45 or 60 days, my lord.
Order,
My lord, I left it, my lord.
order 3 of the furnace, traveler's order has to be disposed of within 60 days.
My lord, that is
So long
correct.
about it.
My lord, my lord, it is up to you, lordship. Just I submit, my lord, that one opportunity, 45 days or 60 days time may be provided to complete the proceeding, my lord. Otherwise, my document, my lord, to examine, my lord, there's some link documents.
It's not there, there's no connect.
Humble prayer, my lord. I am inside the custody also, my lord. If there is no merit, I will be again to custody, my lord. Only prayer is that, my lord, I went to the custody and I will appear before the tribunal, my lord, within a limited period, and thereafter, if anything not found, my lord, then I will be again taken away.
66 voter list is not a certified copy.
Not certified copy. I could not obtain because if your lordship desires to allow me,
75 so not certified copy.
I did not obtain the certificate because I was not aware about the proceeding. So if my lord, I am granted time, my lord, I will obtain the certificate and submit before the tribunal, my lord. Because I was not aware whether case is registered or case is pending or not, totally not aware. Because
Why got notice?
It has been explained to you why. What is the matter all about?
You see, it will take a lot of courage to illiterate women to have policemen in the house serve notice and not tell anyone about it.
My lord, it is a real fact. I have been instructed that the petitioner,
Very
that
hard to believe in a village. police people coming to the home, serving notice.
My lord, the
and he
petitioner
will not
himself,
Speak to anyone about
My-
it.
that is correct, my lord. Well, the petitioner himself is not a sound person, my lord. He cannot speak properly and also has not a sound mind, my lord, also. My lord, he was not taken to treatment, my lord, in the hospital, but he is not a sound mind and sound body also, my lord. He cannot speak properly. His wife, my lord, I have seen his wife, my lord.
For that, there is no document.
No document, my lord. I have stated I could not, my lord, taken to hospital, my lord. My lord, wife is also not sound, my lord. So wife could not understand the notice about the notice, my lord. So only one opportunity. It is up to lordship, my lord. Lordship may allow me only one opportunity, my lord. If there is no merit, my lord, that may be rejected by the tribunal, my lord. I'll, my lord, go again before to the detention camp, my lord. Now he is in detention camp, my lord. For the time being, he may be allowed to come, my lord, and appear before the tribunal. If anything not found, my lord, he will again may be taken to custody, my lord.
This is why we asked you if there is a document to connect. Because we are not finding anything.
My lord, I could not understand, my lord.
No, we are also asking you to the same thing, to show us from the document, how can you link? But you have not been able to show the link, even here.
My lord. My lord, so far the link is concerned, my lord.
This,
Uh,
what you have to say?
My lord,
First submission will be, my lord, because the notice was served properly as per law, and we have received the notice, my lord, so there is no case at all. Secondly, my lord, even though my learned friend was relying on that NRC, in fact, the NRC, the Honorable Apex Court, as well as this Honorable Court has already said, my lord, it is if decision of the tribunal will prevail, not the, my lord, the NRC or the document. Secondly, NRC, so in fact, his name cannot be listed in the NRC itself. And there is no link documents, even the 1997 voter list, the document which is relying, in fact, this is not a certified copy. However, here also it is, the petitioner is projected to be Zaharuddin. And father is shown to be Kasu Usam in 1997 voter list, is 16, my lord. And Zaharuddin is 35 in 1997. And the voter list of 1975, where, my lord, projected father's voter list is of, yes.
my lord, yes, ma'am. My lord. My lord. My lord, if your lordship permits me, my lord, item number 28, the petitioner is expired, my lord. I have got the death certificate also, my lord. Lordship may close, my lord. 28. My lord, my lord.
Item 22.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, we wanted to go through the record, my lord. So, my lord, we would like to pray for accommodation. Can it be on day after tomorrow? My lord? Obliged.
Item 24 for admission.
Yeah, my lord. As for office note, my lord, there is a traffic with the order, my lord. The application number 105/2000, it should be 2016, my lord, but in the order, my lord, it is 2018. That is why record footnote with an F for office note. Now.
A. Mubarak and counsel for the petitioner and so for correspondence. Next paragraph. By order dated 9/1/2026, from this court, had called for the records of FT case number 105/2018. Arising out of 16 police reference within inverted comma D capital, inverted comma closed, case number 84/98. However, comma, is revealed from the office note dated 28/1/2026, that the impugn opinion was passed in FT case number 105/2016. For the said erroneous requisition, the learned tribunal could not send the records. Next, accordingly. The registry shall now call for the records of page 45, FT case number 105/2016, police reference D case number 84/98, disposed of by the learned member, partners tribunal 4th Nagaon, Julia, within bracket Assam, 28/3/2024. The requisition shall be sent to the following email address. Last order, para 5. Next para, list on. You did after 3 weeks.
February.
Before the next date, you say that interim order to the effect that if the petitioner is apprehended, or the petitioner, namely Muhammad Hafiza Khatun, is apprehended, she shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. Stands extended till the next date of the state. Next question.
Supplementary item 32 for orders.
May it please your lordship. Lordship directed us to provide the SLP copy of from Supreme Court, lordship. Have asked to apply for the certified copy. Some more
Why
time
you
will
don't
be
have a
required.
copy?
No, lordship, the legal aid, through legal aid, the SLP was filed, lordship, as per information. So some more time may be given, lordship, so that we can collect the certified copy.
The, which is a, which is a represented on the prayer made by the young counsel for the petitioner. Further time is granted to produce the copy of SLC file. The SLP referred to in the order dated 28/1/2026. Next, this form. How much time is it, Chaudhary?
Lordship, it will take some time, at least
Yes.
after 1 week or 10 days, lordship.
Tell us the date, we'll fix it on that day.
Lordship. Can it be on 16 February, lordship?
16 to 2026.
Before that, if I is able to get the certified copy, then I will mention this matter. Obliged, lordship.
Item 28 for hearing.
You have one
My lord,
minute,
here
one
the
minute.
petitioner is expired, my lord.
Are you taking a considered decision or to withdraw the petition?
My lord. His son communicated with me, my lord.
You're taking a considered decision? But there would be consequences. You see, on instructions. Mr. A.R.D. Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner namely, take it from the cost item, Jarifuddin Ahmed alias Mohammed Jarifuddin Jaruguddin. Has expired, has died on 16/2/2025. During the pendency of this writ petition. In this regard, he has produced a photocopy of the death certificate. You said death certificate. Issued on 6/3/2025. Is written on record. Next. The London Council for the petitioner submitted that along with the death certificate, he has received instructions from the son of the deceased petitioner that this petition may be closed. Next, notwithstanding that the instructions to the London Council for the petitioner is clear to withdraw this, to have this dismissed, this writ petition dismissed on death of the petitioner, as consequences are attached to the opinion dated 7/12/2018, passed by the London member, Ordnance Tribunal number 3, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati, in FT within bracket C, bracket close, number 156/2017. The London Council for the petitioner has been put to notice about the consequences. Next, nonetheless, as the prayer is pressed, this petition stands dismissed on the death of the petitioner, namely, so and so, alias so and so. Next, just say the registry shall send back the records back to the Garnet Tribunal along with a copy of this order to be made a part of record for future reference.
Item 30.
Check dismissed. Dismissed from being awaited on the death of so and so. Await ABM.
Item 30.
None appears for the petitioner on call. All the respondents are represented. For Angel Justice, the matter stands adjourned today. This is the matter for hearing on. Okay, 17/2/2026. I said no, right. I should go with you.
Time being item 3 or motion.
Now appears for the petitioner on call. On second call. Just for all the respondents are represented. For Angel Justice, matters to adjourn today. List again, please. 9/2/2026.
Division bench item 1, 2, and 3 for orders.
But Lordship.
Is the rules framed?
Lordship,
Rules have been framed, no.
the I have I have got the up-to-date status, my lord. As regard the rules, my lord. Court of deviation status. The rules 23/7/2025, they have sent it to judicial department. From our side, my lord, it has been done and sent it to the judicial department. The judicial department has, my lord, returned the file seeking some clarification. Again, we have sent it in the month of September. And now it is with the judicial department, my lord. And it is with the legislative, sorry. I'm sorry, my lord, not judicial department, Lordship. Apply for it. Apply for it. Demand call. No. देखा फोटो फोटो लिस्ट क्या करना है या तो वाला क्या करना है क्या करना है kindly see मतलब serial number 7. मतलब kindly see मतलब serial number 7 मतलब serial number 7. मतलब the file was endorsed to legislative department for vetting the draft Assam Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Rules 2025 on 23/7/2025. The legislative department returned the file on 9/9/25 seeking some clarification. The said file was resent to legislative department on 29/9/25 with the Can you give me some time? I'll inform about. Then in the month of October, they have sought some copies of the annexures. We have again given on 15/10/25, my lord. And it is with them only, my lord, right now. I'll inform.
Relevant dates here.
On
For
15,
example, serial number 1,
Lordship,
it has been constituted, however, during last advertisement, it will not.
It is-
So.
notification was issued on 30.
No, I understand.
In
A fresh
this,
advertisement would be published seeking application shortly.
no,
This is.
this is not fixed, my lord. That is why they could not, well, otherwise the appointments were made in the month of December 2025.
Those are completed.
Yes, my lord.
Oh,
Yes, appointment is done.
Okay. Then number 2 is whether the JJB is constituted properly in accordance with so yes.
Yes, my lord. These are constituted, my lord.
Now, to inform the last date of tenure of various members, present there are only 5 vacancies. So.
On 31/12/2025, all vacancies were filled up in 21 districts, my lord. Notification has been issued, my lord.
No, but first says 30, constituted in 35 districts.
Yes, my lord.
35 districts. The base date would be 31/12. Whether JJB is constituted in each district. You say affirmative. The date would be 31/12, we presume.
My lord.
So here, the last date of tenure of member vacancies were filled up in 21 districts. At present, there are only 5 vacancies. Therefore, Therefore, 1 and 3 is contradictory.
Malad let me come, Malad. The JJBs have been constituted in all 35 districts. However, during last advertisements, suitable candidates were not found for West Karbi Anglong district. A fresh advertisement would be published that they will
There is only
do.
one district.
That is one district. That Lordship.
3 is 5 vacancies.
These members also include the constitution of JJB.
No, these are Lordship. In 21 districts, appointment has been done on 31/12/25. They are Malad.
But JJBs have been constituted on 35 districts.
Yes.
So if it is constituted 35 districts, so you want to say that constitution and filling up the posts are two different.
Lordship. Social matter.
Constituted, but JJB has 31, 12. Am I clear?
Lordship.
35 committees are constituted.
Malad.
Vacancies so far relating to members, 5 in there, in 5 districts there are vacancies.
Yes, Malad.
Any proposal for completion of this?
Malad, they have said that it will be notified, and it is not yet notified, Malad. On 31/12, social workers were appointed in 21 JJBs.
It's not, just tell us. What do you mean by constitution of a JJB in 35 districts?
But in all the districts, Malad, otherwise we
Constitution means what? Issuing a notification or something like that, these are the JJBs in all 35 districts. So it must be completely in on form,
Malad.
isn't it? So there must be a member, isn't it?
Malad.
So if that be so, 35 constituted and all vacancies are filled up only in 21 districts. Vacancies, do you mean these vacancies? of
Social
ministerial staff?
no,
or
social workers. The member.
Okay, forget about the social worker. Now at present, there are only 5 vacancies. 5 vacancies. Vacancies of what? Serial number 3.
Yes, Malad.
Vacancies of what? Member. So that's why my lord is saying there is a contradiction. If you say 35 constituted, means constituted, all committee members are available. There may be vacancies so far relating to subordinate staff, assistants, that is a different.
No, we are Malad indicating, Malad, so far what I have discussed, these are not relating to the staff. These are
We are saying
related
so.
to members.
We are saying so because again come to serial number 4. 4 is to indicate about the proceedings of JJB where no JBPs are constituted and whether such proceeding is backed up by any notification. So as to empower JJB of a different district to act. Now you say JJBs are constituted. That means all are functioning.
All are functioning. If all are functioning, how can there be 5 vacancies in Kolkata, Hailakandi and all? Until and unless you say these vacancies are relatable to ministerial staff.
Malad, in 2 districts, separate judiciary is not there, and Tamulpur.
Forget about. See, all districts, for the timing, you are assuming that all 35 districts were constituted.
Notification has
Maybe
been
there
issued.
will be two and all because the serial number 4 answer there. So if all constituted, we will presume that these constitutions mean all members or required as per statutory requirement, these are constituted. Then serial number 3 either should mean that vacancies related to ministerial staff. What is this?
But these are related to members. Not
So if members are not there, then how can you say that it's constituted?
Malad, not the Malad, suppose it requires 4 members or 3 members, then otherwise it is there, but 1 member or something is still like. That's true.
Is it functional? We want to know that each and every JJBs are functional.
They have indicated that it is functional, but still, Malad, I have taken note of the query of the lordship.
Now, then it comes to 5 is update process functioning and constitution.
Yes, Malad. They said that
Case law, the JJBs hold their sittings. But you see, last time we came to know, we told you also that there is a cap of sitting. So even if there is more pendency, there is your notification that they will not have more than 2 sittings or 3 sittings, something like that.
In this regard, my lord,
Will not be.
the number of, as regard number of sitting, my lord, that is what I have asked, but they said that depending on the caseload, they are sitting. No, that's.
See, another aspect here,
Not
if depending upon caseload sitting, caseload of what? Which caseload? Caseload of the member of the, who is the.
No. Cases are to be placed before the JJB. Cases which are, suppose in some district, my lord, cases, number of cases are less, then there may be 1 sitting or 2 sitting,
No,
that like
is
that.
not important is you'll have to complete the procedure, there may be 1 case. But statutory mandate is you'll have to complete the procedure within this period.
Within a period.
So whether its caseload is there or not is not important. Important is the time frame. So this answer cannot be right.
How much, lordship, how many cases are dealt with and finished?
No, this is not the issue. Issue is, it is to be decided within a time frame as prescribed under the act.
Law.
So there may be hundreds of caseload, or there may be 1. They cannot sit at their wishes and whims, because it is to be completed within a specific period.
Lordship.
You see, there are twin difficulties. Number 1, so far as judiciary is concerned, we have a difficulty because every time a CGM cannot go and sit in the JJB, and thereby the judicial proceedings will become second proceeding. So the primary proceeding is the judicial proceedings.
proceeding.
Therefore, whatever be the intention, but the act says it has to be disposed of within a time frame. So you'll have to have a clear thought process.
Figure.
As to who will be the person who will be fixing the proceedings. You see, for example, my brother is immensely fast. 10 matters he can deal it within an hour and go back and take up any other bench. I would be a slow person, taking up only 1 matter in 1 hour. So who will decide how many sittings there will be there?
But
You have to give them some leeway and make some arrangements so that if there is more sitting, then this payments which are restricted to a cap of 2 or 3, there has to be some flexibility.
my lord. Two things, my lord. That in that case, my lord, lordship, that is number 1, and second is, my lord, how many cases they have dealt and dispose of within
No,
what time?
Specifically with regard to the pendency statement, only you can find out.
Yes, my lord. That statement will keep, my lord.
Take note of this, our query.
Lordship.
Mr. Das,
Yes,
let's take note that we need on the raised date, we need the pendency statement.
sorry, my lord,
Pendency statement
Yes.
of JJBs.
of JJBs.
Fine.
The registry can find it out.
Fine. It can be done, my lord.
It will give us 3 things, pendency statement, number of cases which are there in the board of each JJB, the disposals, and the pending, whatever remains, JJB wise.
JJB wise, yes. I'll get it.
And Mr. Dhanat,
My lord.
how does this take be said? Do you have a plan with regard to the your statement here, caseload? So what is the parameter? You see, if you cross over Mr. Kalita and come to Mr. Chaudhary here, you will come to know that in CBI, if there are 50 cases, they constitute another court.
But
That is
the
what is required.
provision is there.
Provision is there. So
In here also.
They have a cap of caseload. 50 means another CBI court. Correct. Now, what is the plan of the state?
No, that
Sitting plan would be, when you say that 1 case, there may be less sitting. What happens if there is a, the load in a particular district is high? You're not envisaging a full-time, because there has to be a judicial member.
yes, my lord.
You can't have an independent board functioning.
No,
You must have a plan
my lord.
for contingencies in those cases where the
That,
Dependency is high.
logic, that possibly has not been explored. That I'll take. up.
apart from that, it will also increase of like.
So the social audit is completed.
Social audit has been it is complete, Malad. And the views have already been already furnished to them. The final report is expected soon. They will give us. Otherwise, the law department has completed the social audit.
Can you see the last item, which is the infrastructure?
Logic.
You see, infrastructure we have. Told you last time we showed you those.
Settings of the board.
These are not functioning properly. The, what you call, the JJBs don't have their independent cabins. Or what you call, their retiring room after the court business. 3 members can sit together, but they have to have a recusal room because what you call, ultimately one is a judicial member and the other also member, so they must have some time free for themselves. And we have been told that the in several JJBs, the staff and the judicial officers, what you call the members, they work together in a single room. So can we have the details of the infrastructure which is there at present in all the JJBs?
Malad, Lordship. Lordship, we'll collect, we'll provide, Malad.
Let us see.
So far as this is given, we propose to convene again, this bench convene again on Saturday 7th.
7th.
You see, what is required is
Malad.
that in all these cases where there is delay, for example, the status of child protection policy, seal number 6.
Malad.
After framing the draft child protection policy, the same was sent to the judicial department for their views.
Malad.
When? The judicial department has sought some clarification. When? And who is to respond to those clarifications?
No, we are, Malad, here we are to respond. we are to respond to their query. And that I'll provide. And
It was, we'll
Lots.
compel to.
Lordship.
Because my brother has rightly said, in item 7,
Malad,
you are given the dates.
we have given.
Because you have done your part very nicely. In 6, there is no dates because it is you.
It was sent, Malad, I'm told, I'll provide the date.
No, therefore we want to see when you have sent,
I'll provide,
when they have returned, when you are processing this.
I'll provide. Lordship.
Because ultimately, if you have no other way, you'll have to call for the personal appearance of those officers
Last order.
who want to take steps.
Draft policy. Malad. Draft policy on only disability question.
Yeah, but it will say, Ms. Tori, you want to say anything? Mr. Chaudhary or Mr. Das, you have to say anything?
Manoj, I would just make a small
But
submission
in
that
fact,
I'm sorry.
if I'm allowed to, Malad, if Lordship takes up the last order, 18-12-24 order, they're only in paragraph 3, we have said that the draft policy as regard the serial number 6, I'm indicating, it was sent to the judicial department, Malad, then thereafter it has come, I'll submit the date.
We'll have those clarifications if If there
Yes.
is no clarity,
I'll
have no other options but to follow.
we date, Lordship, we'll, I'll submit.
Secretary, commissioner.
Gitanjali Das? Gitanjali Das. Commission secretary.
Commissioner, right? Secretary.
Commissioner nine.
In the last part also, we don't have a date.
No,
It has been very to the cabinet, sent to the judicial department.
yes. It was,
School education department as well as finance department for their final views.
at that point of time only it was sent. Thereafter, they have returned us
This is 1 year back.
1 year back. 1 year back.
Now at least we are at a stage, if this rating is finalized, legislative department
As regard the rules,
rules. So we want to know by Friday why it is, when it was issued to their office,
15/10/25, no?
huh?
15/10/25.
So from October, what are they doing? And when will they will give their office?
Send it, Lordship.
Huh?
Mal.
We don't want to get it delayed beyond election or anything.
Lordship.
So we are thinking on Friday, only for this.
Wanted to say something?
My lord, just a limited submission, as my lord has rightly said, the rules, notification of the rules would be important because the model rules also provides for frequency of the sittings and the working hours. At rule 6, sub rule 7. Therefore, if that is notified, then those parts will become easy.
You're right. We just say for clarification, do you need the elaborate
Specific dates, Lordship.
We are not passing 11 product today on Friday.
We're just telling you orally, or you want it to be recorded.
Lordship reports, it.
Okay.
Lots of style policy.
It's just,
By which date
Wait,
we can send.
I have
the names,
Mal.
take the names and record it.
Yes, so far as the instructions that I'll have to place, that Lordship will also maybe please to incorporate in the order.
Please give the names and record it.
Yes.
The learned senior government advocate has used instructions from the Commissioner Secretary of the Government of Assam, from a Women and Child Development Department regarding the current status of number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We just waiting this format, query, reply. Next paragraph. As in respect of those directions from today, the issue relating to the directions at serial number 6 and 7. 6, 7 and 8 are taken up. As regards directions in respect of serial number 6 is concerned, the current status does not disclose the dates on which events have taken, the events relating to sending of the draft to the judicial department and the and the date on which just say it doesn't depend on the relevant dates relevant for arriving at a conclusion. Just accordingly. Full stop. Similarly, in respect of serial number 8, regarding the status of social audit, comma, the relevant dates are not provided. For ascertain the current status of the same, so accordingly, on the next date of listing, comma, the learned senior government advocate shall inform the relevant dates in respect of serial number directions containing the 6 and 8. Next one. Further, we will also obtain instructions regarding the estimated date within which the process would be. Process in respect of say directions under serial number 6, 7, and 8 would be completed.
University law department আমার
Next paragraph. The learned standing counsel for the High Court shall also obtain the pendency status of the proceedings before the JJBs in the state of Assam and produce it on the next date of listing. Next one. We hope and trust that the authorities in the Women and Child Development Department and the Legislative Department shall expedite the process regarding framing of the child protection policy and to notify the juvenile justice within bracket care and protection of children bracket close rules. So this social audit, who will be giving this?
But law department of Guwahati University, they will submit as the final report.
Similarly, the law department of the Guwahati University be also requested to expedite the submission of the final report regarding social audit. Next. Next, the learned senior government advocate shall transmit a downloaded copy of this order to the concerned authorities to obtain the necessary information based on Saturday 7. Board wise pendency. Juvenile justice, board wise pendency. Okay. Mr. Torre, you have to say anything? No. No. Yeah. Okay. It's good. Item 2. Item 2 is covered by 1. Yes.
So as
Item
it-
3.
As regard the status of pendency of the case, my learned friend, he will take. And as regard the position of man, that I'll.
Serial number 3.
Item 3.
Item then temporary shelter host.
Kingdom of Indigo. Kingdom of Indigo. Kingdom of Indigo. 3 to be. But it was registered when an eviction process was carried out. And one eviction process was carried out in the district of Bhojai. And in that situation, considering the plight of children, it was registered. We have filed affidavit in the matter indicating the steps taken at that stage. Ultimately, since the issue relating to children is there, that is why this is taken with this case.
Lordships, actually, Mr. B.D. Kumar, senior counsel, will be a amicus curiae in the matter. And there was a report also which was submitted by him.
Yes.
Some reason he is not coming to in the last few occasions, he has not been appearing in the matter. Not
But
very
that apart, we'll have to then appoint a magistrate to look into it. Because these are called temporary shelter homes.
Yes, sure.
You can at this get the information regarding status of the temporary shelter homes.
In fact, we have filed, we have filed our affidavit in the matter, my lord. There is,
19th of June, Your Lordship, they have filed an affidavit. In fact, we have also filed an affidavit in the matter.
eviction process of our court, both parent and homeless litigation about it.
Then we appoint Mr. H.K. Das as a magistrate in the matter.
He's appearing in the connected cases.
Yes.
He's appearing in the connected cases.
Fine.
You just go through this record.
Yes.
And indicate what is required.
Yes.
Court master will provide it to you.
Fine.
Huh?
Fine. I only require the copy of the PL and the affidavits, my lord. That perhaps that,
There are, you see, at times there are many reports also.
okay. I,
Registry.
This is good, we'll pass orders to give you copies.
Fine.
Just indicate in the flag so that it is easier
Fine.
for the. registrar to provide you.
Yes.
There may be certain things which may be unnecessary.
yes, my lord, that's true.
So this just
Yes, I'll flag mark it, my lord. Yes.
like the section will give. On a case on call for the petition. What's this so?
This is so much.
This is so motor here.
The amicus curiae.
If it's so moto, I think I can appear as a standing counsel also, my lord.
But still, we are.
Fine, my lord. Yes, yes, no problem. Yes, 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 my lord.
Is the learned amicus curiae is absent on call, the court proposes to, the court is inclined to appoint Mr. H.K. Das, standing counsel to the Guwahati High Court, to be the amicus curiae in the matter,
Fine, my lord.
as he's already appearing in the connected cases.
Yeah.
Full stop. This is R.S. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel for the
State legal services. sorry.
Assam State, ESLSA.
Yes.
Is present. Next paragraph.
For the state, I'm
Learned, the registry shall provide the amicus curiae with the relevant with the pleadings and documents. Stop. List. List also, it's 7. But just.
Yes, yes, I'll just,
We may not.
I understand, my lord.
Because.
Let the main matter come, yes, yes,
Will not fix another day.
yes, let it remain.
Because we'll need
We
from
have-
you, or the next date, we'll need from you the status of the temporary shelters, if any, operating within the state of Assam.
In fact, we have filed,
We've already we've already filed a detailed affidavit.
Yes, yes, yes,
What
yes.
more is
What
required?
I understand.
required by young people, just examine and
Not will close it.
It
we
can
have
be,
filed,
yes.
we have filed the affidavit, we have said there is no such temporary shelter home. Children homes and child homes, those are there. That is the issue in the other. case
Maybe
also.
due to the eviction process and.
This was,
one time it was required because of the eviction process which was going on in the Lumding forest and all that. But then
As-
thereafter, shelter homes have been identified for both boys and girls, which are like the children's home in each district. And which we brought on record.
That is the-
So,
Yes, Chaudhary, what we are thinking is,
sure.
you see, these temporary shelter homes
Hmm.
are for a specific purpose.
Correct.
There must be a riot or there must be some disturbance somewhere for which they require a temporary shelter home. Because otherwise, temporary shelter home is not within the scheme of
No.
the child protection policy. It is always a permanent
For-
shelter home.
for-
So therefore, maybe for riots or something else or displacement because of those eviction, they were put in these temporary shelter homes. And temporary shelter homes, if they are not, if the situation has lapsed or corrected, then these shelter homes are what you call disbanded.
Correct.
So therefore, that's what
fact-
we need.
in fact, Malad, at that point of time during eviction, some place was identified and they were allowed to stay there. In fact, children were also there And that is the condition of that particular place was considered and
We
accordingly.
understand, but find out the status on the next date, if you can find out the status.
We file a
These
detailed
are
affidavit.
closed now.
These are
That
closed now.
what has been closed down, but what are now being identified, it's already there.
Yes, yes,
On the next date, we can address it. also.
yes.
Just tell us on the next.
Yes,
It
definitely.
Lot.
is- If the issue is not live,
Like,
then we'll close it. But if it is live, then we'll take it up.
Yes, yes. Let him also examine.
Yes.
Examine.
Anything else which you have left out?
No, nothing else.